Hi all, welcome to Sara's kitchen. I had numerous requests from my followers for a good mutton gravy recipe. Here we go. Add oil and common Indian spices. Add sliced onions. Now you can add pandan leaves and curry leaves. Add on some tomatoes. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add some candle nuts paste now. Saute them well. Then add meat masala powder. Add pure chili powder. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of garam masala and pepper powder. Now I'm adding on some mutton broth which I've separated from the pressure cooked mutton. Now pour some water and mix well. I'm adding on potato cubes now. Cook covered for around 10 minutes. Now I'm adding on my secret ingredient, cashew nuts paste. Now it's time to add the pre-pressure cooked mutton. Before you pressure cook the mutton, make sure you marinated them well with some ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder and some lemon juice. Ginger garlic paste and lemon juice are natural meat tenderizers. You have to add on enough salt. Leave it in a medium heat until it becomes thicker. I'm adding in some ghee to make my gravy more tastier. Finally, garnish it with curry leaves or coriander leaves. Stir often to prevent any burning, and the dish should have a fairly thick gravy when done. Now you can enjoy the super delicious spicy mutton gravy with plain hot rice.